Hello, my name is Cesar Reyes from Hondo High School. Astronomy compels the soul to look upwards and has led us from one world to another. These words came from the world's best known and widely studied philosophers, Plato. I have always been fascinated with space, celestial bodies, and the physical universe as a whole, for as long as I can remember. I have read and studied various books on this subject as well as researched it on the internet. Astronomy has been my lifelong interest, and I am motivated to teach you about the importance and wonder of this subject. Today I will inform you about what astronomy is, the different types of astronomy, and how astronomy has benefited humankind. What is astronomy? Astronomy is a branch of science that studies outer space and all unearthly bodies. This focuses on celestial bodies such as stars, comets, planets, and galaxies. Astronomy uses chemistry, physics, and mathematics to figure out the behaviors, properties, and the motion of objects in space. Modern astronomers fall into two fields. Observational. These astronomers focus on the direct study of celestial bodies in outer space. They observe our universe using telescopes and other astronomical instruments. Theoretical. Theoretical is the development of analytical models of physics and chemistry to describe astronomical objects and phenomena. There are many subfields to astronomy. The different types of astronomy. There are many subfields to astronomy. This allows scientists to specialize in different objects and phenomena in our universe. I find planetary astronomy to be one of the most interesting subfields in this science. They study planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. From this science, we can learn how these objects were formed and the elements they are made out of. However, this is just one of the many subfields astronomy has to offer. One of the most important subfields that impact us the most is solar astronomy. We should always have an eye on our sun's activity because Earth is in such close proximity to it. Whatever happens to the sun can impact us as well. How does astronomy benefit humankind? Astronomical research itself has not really had a direct impact on humankind, but the technological developments used for astronomy has directly affected the way we live. One example of these technologies is low noise radio receivers. If you have a phone or any radio wave receiving device, you use this technology to develop this. You use this technology developed by the study of astronomy. Another invention is the wireless local area network, which allows us to use wireless network communication over short distances using radio waves. We use both of these examples thousands of times in our everyday lives. What are the most important inventions of astronomy that have benefited us today? Astronomers have always looked to the skies for answers. They use the sun to figure out what time it was, and the stars to figure out the directions they needed to go. GPS systems and calendars are two very important and obvious inventions of astronomy. Calendars replicate astronomical cycles, and the very first one made was in 1582. This calendar has been relevant ever since, and we use it to calculate seconds, minutes, hours, days, and years. GPS systems also use radio waves, as explained in my last point. We can now put in any address and we will know where it is and how to get there. Astronomy is a beautiful subject of science. It gives us a chance to explore a very massive and mysterious universe, and it also benefits humankind as a whole. It gives us a great chance to explore things and make us realize we're just a small dot on our massive universe. We can now realize astronomy is a very important part in our modern society, and we should all appreciate the gifts of astronomy.